Educate Yourself channel. Dear viewers, Educate Yourself channel talks about topics that we live on daily, whether you are at home, at work or on the mountain. So, Educate Yourself channel will share with us and guide us about the most important things that help us in maintaining our bodies and grace, and that will be by downloading videos about the benefits of herbs or the things that we must eat. Educate Yourself channel is concerned with human health as well as cooking by guiding you on the benefits of everything we eat daily. Education and Culture channel. If you follow us, we will provide tips to avoid diseases as well as chronic diseases and how to preserve your body and get beautiful and smooth skin, and we will help you in developing your body and resisting excess grease. Educate Yourself teaches you to resist without the need for a doctor. You will rest from being overweight in a few days and learn about the benefits of vegetables and crops that you did not know before, and learn to cook all the things that pertain to our daily life, and I promise you will benefit very much. If you like the channel's content, don't skimp on us by subscribe and activate the bell to receive all updates.